Yesterday we visited Omron. It's an interesting experience, obviously going into a workplace where they've got people with disabilities and they're doing able-bodied tasks. So the fact that they've had to learn and improvise on how they can create standard work for their employees, where they actually, for a normal able-bodied person, it would just be something we could easily do, versus for them it's something that they have to do to actually be able to do the job. So seeing that was eye-opening, and it makes you realise how you've just got to start doing something. That's probably one of the biggest things I've learned consistently across the tours we've done, is that it's start doing something, whether it's identifying wastes, coming up with standard work, but that's the main thing, is just trying to do the little things and not expect big results straight away.
So we had a traditional Japanese meal one evening where we got to wear kimonos. Great to experience a real cultural experience and not just a mainstream kind of restaurant or something that any tourist would come across when they were visiting Japan. So walking through the factory and hearing direct from Suzaki sensei about their need for change and why they decided to undertake the TPS project, and this time he spent learning about different concepts and bringing them back to his business, was a real eye-opener for me, because it showed a real dedication from the top to learning and understanding every part of how the TPS system should work before bringing it back to his own factory.
Having Paul and Ben there and being able to translate the information to us and being able to allow us to interact with the manufacturers and the companies in a clearer, more well-understood way made a huge difference and helped improve my understanding, enhance my understanding of what we were seeing and what we were doing, and allowed me to ask questions that were relevant to my work of them. That was, without a doubt, one of the most valuable pieces of this week.